guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have created this look. I have created a thick winged eyeliner paired up with bold red lips. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. To use this L'Oreal Gel Intensa eyeliner. This is a gel based eyeliner, so I'm going to use an angular brush like this. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, go with small strokes, guys. My eyes, and now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply this L'Oreal Superstar mascara. Use a lip liner first. No matter what, if you are going to do bold lips, you should always use a lip liner first. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Berry Red, and I'm going to line my lips using this lip liner first. If you're having very thin lips, you can always overline your lips with lip liners. For lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Red 2. I recently purchased this. I already finished one entire tube in the shade Mauve 1, and this formula is so good. So I'm going to use this shade. So this is how the shade looks. Any feathering or smudges on your lipstick, you can always use your concealer or your foundation to correct it. That's it, guys. I hope you all like this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will never miss any future updates from my channel. And I see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!